hobby secretary, Batik, Woodwork, Calligraphy, oregano, good writing.
Let's see.
And I go which way?
So straight.
Straight.
Yes,
Okay. Huh?
These are just part of decoration.
Oh, part of the decoration. Okay. Okay. Oh, the art starts from there.
This time they remove this.
Yes, the back.
You already got chubby and I was chubby.
You get there.
Is that? There's a junior wing boy also who has done a moon silhouette. Mona Lisa. Wow, who's that? Brilliantly done. Neve. Do we actually have people like that?
Yes.
Have you ever seen one?
Yes.
And has been done.
And this is one thing that we want you to
Oh,
take a look at.
has it?
Just take it up.
Okay, just move it up.
Yes, up.
Okay. Whoa, look at that. Calligraphy department, and you couldn't have got a better photograph. I think it's perfect. Perfect photograph. Wow, thank you. Facebook. Wow, thanks.
Vlogging.
All in French? Oh, okay.
So can you just give a pause?
Wow.
It's only car sections.
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay, skip.
Just such, right?
Yes.
Oh, that dog looks good. Who's that? Joyce Nani Bora. Yes, he's got the features. Is it a great day? Maybe a great day. Yep.
Robert Downey Jr., Messi, Ronaldo. Who is that man? He's very famous.
This one is the
Nice. Texture art.
Who is this? Sam.
Yeah, you put that last time, right?
That is very nice.
This is what's
This is very nice. Water reflection.
These are the Batik arts, Batik painting.
imaginary. Brilliant. Brilliant. Yeah, if you find it missing, there's only one place it can be used. Yeah, this is the famous one. This is again what you used to have. Mountain is very good. Very good. Well done with such short time. But the boys managed to bring out the pieces very, very well, and they painted it up. Great.
It consists of both painting on wood and crafting.
Ah,
That also you made.
Sky is
Phoenix
very
is
dark.
That's why it's
Responsible for the Starry Nights.
Starry lights.
not Phoenix is this one, no? The other one. Mihir.
Vincent Van Gogh. Good. Yeah.
Zaire is not here.